Hey guys, Freezer Bound Outdoors here. As you can see, we got well over a foot of snow last night. And we're going to go out and see if there's any tracks near the new tree stands that I put up for late season archery. Here's our food plot, guys. I don't see any tracks in it. Let's hope someone come dig it up. Alright, so as you guys can see, right here's some deer paths. Tracks, sorry. You see, the deer tracks go right down through here, and boom. Tree stand number 1. So they're using this path. As you can see, we just got all this snow, so this is probably this morning. And they're coming right up this path here. So what we did was we put 2 tree stands. Here's tree stand number 2. I'm actually standing in between the 2 of them. And there's the other one. So we got another little food plot around the corner here. Go up and see if there's any more tracks. Pretty nice out here. Well, I don't see any tracks over here. Sometimes it's hard to tell with all the snow falling off the trees. But this is where we'll be hunting late season. I just kind of walked around this tree stand. The other one's about 30 yards down there. Kind of in between a couple of food plots. On the corner of the big field out there. Hopefully we can get some recurve footage. You can see the other one down through the woods there. So they're about 30 yards apart. So we'll be out here in a team and trying to take something down. We're going to go up and check out the last little feeding area. When we get up there, I'll show you some tracks, hopefully. And there's 3 or 4 sets of tracks going this way. So I guess I put it in a good spot. We've still got about a week and a half here before late season comes in the day after Christmas. Just want to take you guys on a little walk around while there's so much snow on the ground. Hey guys, I just kicked a couple up. We ran in through these pines. I think it was 2 doe, but I didn't get the camera up quick enough to get them. There's two of our 3D targets. Alright guys, we got some tracks over there in those pines. Just wanted to say thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're gonna have some late season action. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow us on Facebook. Hope you enjoy this beautiful view.